Hi there everyone, this is Tobe Gandlovu, yet known as Tyron the Goat. I'll just share a little information about myself. I'm Tobe Gandlovu, yet known as Tyron the Goat, the one and only female goat. I have a diploma in teaching, 2 years trading experience. I'm a mentor, receptionist, and appliance supervisor under the FX Goat. I'll be taking you with the introduction of foreign exchange. Without any further waste of time, let us dive into it. Forex introduction. What is Forex? Forex is short for foreign exchange, which is known as Forex or FX. It is the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. For example, if you think one currency will be stronger versus the other and you end up correct, then that's where you can be profitable. The foreign exchange or Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, larger than the stock market, with a daily volume of $6.6 trillion, meaning that $6.6 trillion is the amount of money that is distributed in each and every day under the foreign exchange market. The Forex market is a global, decentralized market where the world's currency change hands. Exchange rates change by the second, so the market is constantly in flux. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, only closing during the weekends. What is traded in Forex? The answer is simple. It's money, because we are not exchanging anything physical. Think of buying a currency as buying a share in a certain country, just like buying stocks of a company. In Forex trading, when they say buy British pound, it means that you are buying shares from the British economy, betting that the economy is doing well and will even do better as time goes on, meaning that their economy is somehow increasing. The major currencies. What are major currencies? Major currencies are the most traded pairs in the foreign exchange market. While there are potentially lots of currency you can trade, as a new Forex trader, you will probably start trading with the major currencies. They are called major currencies because they are the most heavily traded currencies and represent some of the world's largest economies. For example, USD, Euro, Japanese yen, Great Britain, Swiss franc, Canada, Australian dollar, New Zealand. Currency symbols always have 3 letters. For example, USD, as you all can see, all these major currencies listed above have 3 letters, where the first 2 letters identify the name of the country and the third identifies the name of the country's currencies. Let's go back to an example. USD. The first 2 letters identify the name of the country, which when it comes to USD, it's the United States. And then the third letter identifies the name of the country's currencies. When it comes to USD, it's the dollar, which is the third letter, USD, United States dollar. Usually the first letter of the currency's name, dollar, it's why there's a D representing there. USD, United States dollar. Let us move to the next slide. Buying and selling currency pairs. Buying and selling currency pairs. Forex trading is the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling the other. Currencies are traded through a Forex broker or CFD provider and are traded in pairs. As Forex traders, we mostly use Forex brokers in order to trade or to access the market. For example, the Euro and the US dollar, which is Euro USD, that is a pair already. Or the British pound and the Japanese yen, which is GBP JPY, that's a pair also. When you trade in the Forex market, you buy or sell currency pairs. Imagine each currency pair constantly in a tug of war, with each currency on its own side of the rope. What do they mean? It's as if our pairs are in a tug of war, meaning that either one should buy or one should sell. They cannot both buy at the same time. There are three categories of currency pairs. Which are those categories? We have the majors, the crosses, and the exotics. The major currency pairs always include the US dollar. I repeat, the major currency pairs always include the US dollar. Cross currency pairs do not include the US dollar. Crosses that involve any of the major currencies are also known as minors. Cross currencies, they include any of the major currency pairs that were listed, which is like GBP, JPY, NZD, CHF, but they do not include the US dollar. Exotic currency pairs consist of one major currency and one currency from an emerging market. The currency pairs listed on top are considered as the majors, which are the most liquid in the world. Liquidity is used to describe the level of activity in the financial market. Let's look at the picture on our top right corner. We have Euro USD. We have Euro USD, which is the Eurozone versus the United States dollar. We have GBP USD, which is the Great Britain pound versus the United States dollar. We have USD JPY, which is the United States dollar versus the Japanese yen. USD CHF, which is the United States dollar versus Switzerland's franc. And we have USD CAD, which is the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. AUD USD, Australian dollar versus the United States dollar. And lastly, NZD USD, New Zealand dollar versus the United States dollar. Those are all considered as our major currency pairs. They are our major currency pairs. Major currency pairs or minor currency pairs. Currency pairs that include any two of the major currencies except the US dollar are known as cross currency pairs or simply as the crosses. So basically, major crosses are also known as minors, while they are not as frequently traded as the majors. The crosses are still pretty liquid and still provide plenty of trading opportunities. Next point. The most actively traded crosses are derived from the three major non-USD currencies, which are Euro, JPY, and the Great Britain pound. These are the cross-currency pairs we have under the Euro, which is Euro GBP, Euro CHF, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, and Euro JPY. Under the JPY, Japanese yen, we have CHF JPY, GBP JPY, CAD JPY, AUD JPY, NZD JPY. Under the Great Britain pound, we have GBP AUD, GBP CHF, and GBP CAD. The way they are structured, or I can say the way they are paired, they remain like that. Meaning that, for example, if it's GBP CHF, it will never or it won't be CHF GBP. It will just forever be GBP CHF. Exotic currency pairs. Exotic currency pairs are made up of one major currency paired with of an emerging economy, such as Brazil, Mexico, Chile, Turkey, or Hungary. So what is meant here is basically an exotic currency pair includes one major together with one exotic currency. The chart below contains a few examples of exotic currency pairs. USD TRY, Euro TRY, USD ZAR, USD Mexico, USD CGD, Euro SEK. But the most, or I can say the heavily traded exotic pair is the USD ZAR. Speculations in the Forex market. One important thing to note about the Forex market is that while commercial and financial transactions are part of the trading volume, most currency trading is based on speculation. What is meant by that? Most currency trading is based on speculation. In other words, most trading volume comes from traders that buy and sell based on the short-term price movement of the currency pair. The trading volume brought about by speculators is estimated to be more than 90%. The scale of the forex market means that the liquidity, which is the amount of buying and selling volume happening at any given time, is extremely high. So let us go back on what have we learned. So we have learned what is forex, how big it is, the type of currencies, and that pairs are traded in pairs. So let us get into questions to just test our knowledge. Get your pen and paper and be ready to write a test. First question. The foreign exchange, which is the forex market, is a global market that allows you to trade one currency pair against another currency pair. True or false? Going once, going twice, and the correct answer is false. Why? It doesn't allow one, yet it allows two currency pairs to be traded against each other. Question 2. What is the largest financial market in the world? 1. Is it the forex market? 2. Options market. 3. Stock market. What is the largest financial market in the world? Going once, going twice, and the correct answer is the forex market. Question 3. If the forex market is the largest financial market in the world, how big is it? 1. Is it $60 billion? 2. Is it $6 trillion? 3. Is it $60 trillion? The correct answer is 2, which is $6 trillion. Question 4. How many letters do currency symbols have? How many letters do currency symbols have? Number 1, they have 2. Number 2, they have 6. Or number 3, they have 3. Going once, going twice, and the correct answer is 3, which the first 2 letters is the country's name and the last letter represents the country's currency symbol. Let's move to question 5. Question 5. Which of the following is not a major currency pair? 1. Is it Euro GBP? 2. Is it NZD USD? 3. Is it Euro USD? Going once, going twice, and the correct answer is 1, which is Euro GBP. Why isn't it a major currency pair? It's because it doesn't include the US dollar currency. As we know that all our major currency pairs include the USD dollar, or I should say the United States dollar. Question 6. What do you call a currency pair that consists of one major currency and one currency from an emerging market? 1. Cross-currency pair. 2. Major currency pair. Or 3. Exotic currency pair. Going once, going twice, and the correct answer is 3, which is an exotic currency pair. Question 7. What is the second most traded currency? 1. It is the Great Britain pound. 2. Is it the Japanese yen, which is JPY? 3. Or the euro? Going once, going twice, and the correct answer is 3, which is the euro, because the first most traded currency is the United States dollar. Question 8, which is our last question. One important thing to note about the forex market is that most currency trading is based on speculation. Is it 1, true, or 2, false? Going once, going twice, and the correct answer is true. So we have came to our end of our chapter 1 of the introduction of Forex. Each day is a chance to bring you closer or further from your goals, and today you chose to make progress. Keep it up, and we'll see you at the next stop. Nonetheless, this is FX Coach, your mentor, signing out.